Okay, here we go. A quick setup of Wi-Fi connection using Broadcom BCM 4300 series on Archcraft. First, update your system using this command as shown below. Secondly, download the following 3 files. We have Broadcom WLDKMS, the WPA supplicant, and Linux headers. The command is as shown here. Thirdly, you need to blacklist the drivers that came with the Linux kernel. Use nano to open the blacklist.conf file as shown below. Then add the following 5 lines to the blacklist.conf file. We have blacklist BCM, blacklist B43, blacklist B43 legacy, blacklist BRCM 80211, and blacklist SSB. Press Ctrl O and Ctrl X to save and close the file. Now run this command sudo modprop wl and reboot your PC. Congratulations, Wi-Fi is now working. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.